Hey, I'm Lauren with the Roving House, and I'm going to unbox some stuff that we've gotten in the mail this week. Yeah, cool. All right, so first up we've got these whiteout pins. This is a whiteout version of the scarab beetle that we did for the bug box. So these are actually going to our Gold Club members. I like the way this came out with a nice gold matte metal. Oh, and here's some more stuff for the Gold Club too. So we had to reorder our Winter Wander pins. And while we were doing that, we decided to get the blackout and whiteout versions for the Gold Club too. So there's the whiteout version. And along with it, of course, the blackout version. A nice, dark, starry winter night. Oh, okay. And a new thing we're going to start doing with some of our designs is the silver version, black and silver. This is John's favorite color scheme, so we're going to start doing that. Making it available on the site in limited editions. Very pretty. All right, let's see what else we got. It's another big batch. Probably pins, not. Let's see. All right, this is for the February bug box. This is for the basic and deluxe boxes. Very requested. America's Most Wanted, the spotted lanternfly. And this is the female with her wings open. These guys don't do a lot of flying, but they do use their wings to assist in their hopping. They are leaf hoppers. And I love the way she came out. This is about life-sized for the adult. Cool, awesome. The whole box is just spotted lanternflies. So when I had these made, I asked the factory to write spotted bug on any material so that nobody thought we were importing a giant case of spotted lanternflies. Last up, big box. I am looking forward to these a lot. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, these are gorgeous. This is for the bug box in February as well. This is a collab. John helped design this one. Thank you, John. I know they're going to be beautiful. And it is beautiful. This is the second scarf we've done. This is our lanternfly spotter scarf. It's based on the inner wings of the adult, which you can see right there. Awesome. Let's put it on. Cool. Very nice. I can go out and spot my lanternfly eggs on trees in the winter if I wanted to. Fortunately, they're not in our area yet. Cool. And it's even got the little snail on the guy right there on the edge. Can't wait to put these in the boxes in February. Thank you guys very much for watching. Have a good one.